Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Logitech wireless keyboard. The specific model number of this keyboard is K350. Now, I got this keyboard as a combo with this mouse, but this review will only be focused on the keyboard. In this video review, I will be going over the features and functions of the keyboard, and I will also be telling you about my personal opinion on the keyboard. So let's get right to it. The first thing that I want to address is the comfort. So this keyboard has a wave design. As you can see right there on the space bar, it says wave. Now, what that is basically, it has a wave design and the lengths of your fingers vary, and the wave design of the keyboard supports the varying lengths of your fingers, the varied lengths of your fingers, I should say. Your fingers don't grow and shrink, but they vary from one to the next. So the wave design supports the varied lengths of your fingers. So that allows it to be very, very comfortable on your fingers. Now, if you take a look down here, you can see that there is a cushion at the bottom, and that cushion allows the palms of your hands to be very, very comfortable. So basically, between the wave design and the comfort and the cushion at the bottom of the keyboard, it allows it to feel very, very comfortable when you are using it for typing and when you are just simply resting your hands on the keyboard. The next thing that I want to address is the battery life and also the accuracy of the keyboard, because those are two things that people are concerned about when they are purchasing a wireless keyboard. They are afraid that they will have to be constantly changing batteries and that the keyboard will be constantly missing strokes. I have to say that the battery life is absolutely incredible and the accuracy is absolutely phenomenal. I have used this keyboard for a while and the battery life is amazing and the accuracy is unbelievable. The next thing that I want to address is the advanced control features of the keyboard. So basically the advanced controls that you see around. So if you take a look up here, okay, over here and along here, I'll just give you a closer view. So over here, you can see that there are some controls. Up here, you have other controls. And then over here, I'll get you a closer view, you have some other controls. Now these are very, very useful because I find that I use some of them very frequently. I don't really use these ones over here, but I do use these controls up here quite frequently, especially the multimedia controls over here. And all of these buttons are nice and big so that they are easy to see and also easy to locate with your hand and your fingers. So once you know the location of these buttons by heart, once you have memorized the location of the buttons, you don't really have to look at them. You can keep looking at your screen and just move your hand up and you will know which button you are going to press. Now, if you take a look right here, this is the unifying receiver, and this is what the keyboard uses to wirelessly connect to your computer. And it allows you the unifying receiver allows you to connect multiple devices using only the single receiver. And that is a very, very convenient feature. Now, overall, this is a comfortable keyboard with advanced controls and a fantastic battery life. And I have used it for a while and I really, really like it. And I hope that you have enjoyed this review. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.